Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford F-150. This is the XLT. It's four-wheel drive. And it is running smooth, so I'll go ahead and take it for a tour. This had the polished alloy wheels. Power sliding back window. This one does have a bed liner, a spray-on bed liner. Tail package, backup camera. Fixed running boards. Tail hooks up front. Just have the keyless entry right here on the door. Give a shot of that VIN right there. This does have additional USB ports down there on the left and a power supply. The gray fabric seats. See down here that it has 8,182 miles on this vehicle. Then you've got your trip computer, your push to talk, and your infotainment controls right there. There's your ignition, 2 and 4-wheel drive, your trailering. Come over here and you've got your comfort controls, which just does have heated seats up front. Have additional power supplies and USB ports down there. Additional power supplies here with the 110 as well. Come up here and for your stereo, you've got AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. You can connect your phone. And then in order to see the backup camera, I simply put it in reverse. It does have an HD backup camera, and it also has backup sensors as well. As you come up top, you're gonna have your map reading lights and your glasses holder, and then your power sliding back window control. Down in here, this will flip up so that it will seat 6. Okay, and that about wraps it up for this F-150 on the interior. It does have a branded title. There's an impact here to the roof and the windshield. And a little bit of damage here on the passenger door. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.